Good morning, Center 2. So today we're going to be practicing letter O. Letter O. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to be doing it within 2 lines, and the difference between the capital O and the small o is just the size. So you form both of them the same way, but it's just that the size lets us know if it's a capital O or a small o. So let's go ahead. You're going to start at the top of the line. You're going to go around in a circle, the best circle you can form, and then you loop up. And for the small o, middle of the line, go in a circle, come right back to where you started, and loop up. Let's try it again. Start at the top of the line, go around in a circle, and then you're going to loop up. And the small one, you start in the middle of the line, go around in a circle, and then you loop up. So you're going to give me 1, 2, 3 of these. Let's do it again. Around, circle, loop, up. Middle of the line, around, and then you're going to loop up. So for your first line, you're going to give me single letters, not joined. And of course, you try to fit 3 in your line. And then you skip a line, and then on the bottom of the line, we're going to try to join it like what I did here, right? So when you're doing O's, usually you'll need to come off of the line when you're joining it. So I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to start with our capital O, around in a circle, loop up. You're going to stop, and then you're going to come at the bottom, do a little line to connect it. Then you go around in your circle, and then you loop up. So let's try it again, around in your circle, as best as you can, and you loop up. Start at the bottom of the circle. You're going to do your first stroke up, your upward stroke, and then you're going to come around in your circle and loop up. So again, you're going to put 3 of that on the line at the bottom. And you're going to connect it, upward stroke, your small O, loop up. And then you skip a line, and then you give me singles, and then you skip another line, and you try to give me them joined together. Right? Okay, excellent. When you're finished with your 1 page, send me a picture. Bye.